Hey YouTube, it's Divine Collections today, coming at you with a video of this is a wig, cornrow wig making video, and actually it's a wig that I already had prior to now, and it actually was an old wig, and I just decided that, you know what, I wanted some cornrows, but anybody that knows about anything about wigs knows that if you go to a store right now, any beauty supply, or go online to check out cornrowed wigs or braided wigs, you're gonna find that they're run anything from 150 to 200 plus for those. So I just decided to go ahead and make mine. So you know, I just kind of like did like you know, my own unique style. That's something that I felt like would, you know, complement my head. And I'm almost done. I just wanted to quickly show you the visual so that you could see. So here's the wig. Here's the back. And this dome head is something that I ordered from Amazon, as well as the stand, as you can see. So here is the wig. I only have a little bit left to go in this, and I have this left of the wig. And I mean, it's not like it has the, you know, like the fake scalp. It doesn't have the any of those lace and all of that. So it's just a regular wig, you know, with the tracks and everything. I tried my best to, you know, do the fit-in braids to make it thicker, like especially where the tracks were, you know, as best as I could. I mean, nobody's really staring into your hair, but so I just wanted to just check it out for inspiration. It's not a tutorial. It's just like a, you know, just like a show of what I'm doing. And I wanted to show you. This is the front, and I'll probably post some pictures in the end. All right. Thank you for watching, and be blessed. Bye-bye.